Hey guys, this is gonna be a short video about ghost production because it's a term in the industry that goes around a lot and has quite a taboo on it. But in this video I want to explain what ghost production really is and why it also can help the industry and beginning artists. So let's go. Not all ghosts are scary. And in the music industry, some ghosts are actually responsible for your favorite hits. Today, we're diving into the hidden world of ghost production. What it is, how it works, and why it's not as bad as you might think. Welcome back to my channel, where we break down the music business, production tips, and insider secrets. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss a deep dive like this again. Section 1. What is ghost production? In simple terms, ghost production is when a producer or songwriter creates a track but doesn't release it under their own name. Instead, an artist buys it, often under what is called so-called work for hire agreement. That means the producer gets paid a one-time fee, hands over the copyright, and the buyer owns the track completely. No royalties, no future claims. It's a clean handoff. Why do artists use ghost producers? Fans sometimes feel shocked when they learn their favorite DJ, rapper, or singer didn't actually write or produce their own song. But let's be real, being a top-level artist is like running a multi-million-dollar company. They're touring, performing, handling media, managing a team of 20 to 30 people, and still expected to release hit after hit. Hiring a ghost producer is just a smart business. After all, being an amazing performer doesn't always mean you're a great songwriter. Just like CEOs delegate tasks, artists delegate too. Part 3. How ghost production works. Ghost producers can sell full tracks through private deals, music agencies, or online marketplaces. The price? Probably anywhere from $300 for beginners all the way up to $10,000 for producers with a proven track record. And here's something important. For up-and-coming producers, ghost production can be a valuable income stream. Many are juggling between making music and working, also called normal jobs. Selling productions to other artists can help them sustain a career in music and gain industry experience while still paying the bills. Part 4. The credit mystery. Want to see who actually worked on the track? Go to Spotify, click on the 3 dots and check the song credits, also known as the music credits. You will often find multiple writers and producers listed, sometimes 10 or more people splitting royalties. But here's the kicker, ghost producers aren't always credited. They are the invisible hands behind the music. Part 5. Is ghost production good or bad? Some fans call it fake, but think about it this way. Would you rather have 10% of a global hit or 100% of a flop? Ghost production keeps the music industry moving, ensures artists can focus on performing, and gives talented producers a way to build a career, often leading to bigger opportunities and recognition down the line. So next time you're vibing to a chart-topping track, remember, there might be a ghost behind it, and that's not a bad thing. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more music industry breakdowns, and drop a comment. Do you think ghost production is fair, or should every producer get public credit? Let me know.